Those who practice Ayurveda believe every person is made of 5 basic elements found in the universe: Vayu, Akasha, Agni, Jala and Prithvi. These combine in the human body to form 3 life forces of energies called the doshas. They control how your body works, and they are Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and the Kapha dosha. Everyone inherits a unique mix of these 3 doshas, but one is usually stronger than the others. Each one controls a different body function. It's believed that your chance of getting sick and the health issues you develop are linked to the balance of your doshas. At Elite Ayurveda, we will create a treatment plan specifically designed for you. We take into account your unique physical and emotional makeup, your primary life force and the balance between all the 3 elements. So we strive to maintain ourselves as the most preferred and trusted Ayurveda healthcare brand by providing easily accessible and truly dependable care. As a holistic center, we define ourselves as a community health provider with patient-centric care and value for spend on health to all the sections of the society. Being dependable is the key, and as people approach to us with their medical needs, it becomes increasingly essential for us to cater to their trust first than anything else. We highly identify with the needs of the patients and respond in the same vein and promptness. We are a pioneering new generation dedicated doctors applying Ayurveda to solve modern health problems. We offer Ayurveda as the best course of treatment line where other systems of medicine often fail. Our continuing endeavor is to find ways to make Ayurveda more relevant and accessible in today's world. To this end, we partner with modern medical practices, finding synergistic ways of functioning that draws on the best of what Ayurveda can offer. Over the years, Elite Ayurveda has evolved a lot, but the values it's built on remain the same, like leadership and excellence, compassion and integrity, quality and dependability, passion and efficiency, with a patient-centric philosophy that fuels our effort to make ourselves the epitome of healthcare. We have built an institution that matches the standards of healthcare delivery across the world, where care is provided to patients at an affordable cost. We offer not only the best facilities but also combine Ayurveda, the gel of traditional medicine, and form a multidisciplinary and modern approach in our treatments. Whether you live in the biggest city or the most remote village, you'll always have access to our Ayurveda experts. We are always just a click away. You can get immediate care when you need it. Consult us within a short time using video or voice call, email or online chat.